name, how tall are you, tsaka where are you from?
Hi everyone, I'm Jomi Revilla and I'm representing Mr. Grand Philippines, Pinagbuhatan, Pasig City. I'm 20 years old.
Your reason bakit ka nag-join ng Mr. Grand Philippines?
Years ago, I was dreaming to be part of Mr. Grand Philippines organizations. I've been watching the former candidates, especially Christian, and now it was a dream came true, representing my hometown, Pasig City. And of course, I am here more than myself. I represent those people who became the main beneficiaries of my own advocacy. So if you're asking my advocacy, I've been promoting ever since when I started joining school pageants. I've been promoting youth empowerment focusing on mental health because I want to help those people who's drowning themselves in depression, anxiety, because I know the feeling of waking up in the morning and feeling empty, you know, kaya I really want to streamline that advocacy while having this organization besides me.
Message sa family and supporters.
Oh, thank you, especially to all my followers on IG, TikTok. Strangers are really the sweetest supporters ever. Thank you so much for even liking my posts, sharing my posts. That means a lot for me. Thank you. Keep supporting not only me but also the other candidates of Mr. Grand Philippines.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.